Don't miss these 3 plumbing hacks. The day trouble hits, they might save your life. First tip, even the most experienced plumbers use it. Watch how to remove a fitting that's already glued. Second tip, your fitting broke flush with the pipe. I'll show you how to remove it easily without an extractor. And the last one, your pipe is broken right against the wall and you don't have the right fitting. No panic. Watch this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments which plumbing tricks have already saved you, and don't forget to subscribe to become the king of DIY.